I am Jesse. I'm here to do chiropractic adjustments and cooking. Oh no, I think like the first time was a trial, so I'm thinking this time it will be a lot more impactful and parts that will give me problems.
So resistance just from doing this already. Yeah, there's no more resistance on this one. Right, right. So you don't have to. If you want to go fish, yeah, this is just going to tighten on because I'm pushing with everything I have just to get you up there. Shouldn't be this. Right. Trying to wait.
I feel like there is a lot of air in my lungs.
Yeah.
All at once.
Yeah. So you notice that there's more opening on your chest, like you're breathing better. Yeah. I'm going to smash it up again. We're trying to get that curve. Just breathe out. Go. Steady, right?
Yeah.
Good.
There you go.